Amazon Affiliate. Everything you need to know about Amazon Affiliate program. Amazon is one of the largest retailer in the world. In fact, in the US alone, it is responsible for nearly 40% of all online sales, and anyone can access to share to the retail giant's profits. All you need to do is have a website or social media presence and sign up for the Amazon Affiliate program. Amazon Affiliate Program, we also known as Amazon Associate, is an affiliate marketing program that allows users to monetize their websites, blogs, or social media. Amazon Affiliate users simply place links to Amazon products on their site, and when a customer makes a purchase via on one of their links, the user receive a commission. Read only to learn how you can participate in Amazon's affiliate program and discover strategies you can use to maximize your profits. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate or association marketing programs like Amazon's are basically arrangements in which an online merchant like Amazon pays affiliate website or a commission to send them traffic and or sales. Affiliate sites link to the merchant site and are paid according to the program's agreements. Amazon's affiliate program, for example, pays affiliate sites based on the number of people they send to Amazon who also make purchase on the site within 24 hours. There are several benefits to affiliate marketing for both the merchant and participating. Affiliating for the merchant, it is an opportunity to expand reach and increase sales through affordable marketing because affiliate marketing is performance based. Affiliates are paid only when the desired action takes place. Participants in the affiliate program are also motivated to drive conversation. For affiliate, taking part in an associate marketing program allows them to become involved in e-commerce without having to establish or maintain their own store. It also provides the opportunity to monetize a website, blog, or social media and earn a commission. There are three types of affiliate program. Paper sale. In this type of program, the merchant pays an affiliate when the affiliate sends a customer who makes a purchase. Some merchants pay the affiliate a fixed rate per sale, while others, like Amazon Sale, pay a percentage of the sale. Pay per click. In this arrangement, the affiliate is paid based on how many visitors arrive at the merchant site via the affiliate link. At the affiliate is paid regardless of whether visitors make a purchase. Pay per lead. This type of program pays affiliates based on the number of visitors of the merchant's site who sign up as leader or fill out with the requested information on the website. How does Amazon affiliate program work? Amazon Associate is essentially a referral program that pays a commission to referring websites. So when you send a customer to Amazon via a link on your website, you get a percentage of the sale of whatever they purchase over the next 24 hours. Your commission varies through depending on what type of item a customer purchases. Refer to the chart below to see what Amazon's fixed standard program fee rate is for various product categories. It's important to keep in mind that the percentage of the sale you receive is not the only factor in your commission. Your conversation retail also matters because it reflects how many people are actually clicking on affiliate link and making a purchase after visiting your site. You conversation rate is the percentage of visitors to your website who make a purchase via your affiliate link out of the total number of visitors to your site. For example, if during the month of August your website receives 500 visitors and 10 of those visitors made a purchase after clicking on your affiliate link, that would be a conversion rate of 0.2%. The average affiliate conversion rate is 0.5% to 1%. However, some affiliates regularly have much higher conversion rates because you get a percentage of everything a customer buys from Amazon within 24 hours or when they arrive at amazon.com from an affiliate links. There are also the potential to earn more revenue from products that you don't specifically advertiser. For example, if you run a beauty blog that feature affiliate link to luxury beauty items which have a free rate of 10%, you may get 10% of the purchase of a high-end moisturizer, but also 8% of the cost of a box of dog's treats if the customer also purchases biscuits. However, to earn a commission from Amazon purchases, a customer must place an order whether within 24 hours of arriving at Amazon.com from your affiliate link. Once that 24-hour window closes, or if the customer re-enters Amazon through another affiliate link, you want to earn any fee from subsequent purchases. However, if the customer returns to Amazon via one of your affiliate links, a new 24-hour window opens and you'll again be eligible to earn fees based on the customer's order. If a customer arrives at Amazon from one of your affiliate links, adds an item to their shopping cart and leave Amazon without completing their order, it's still possible for you to earn a percentage of the that sale as long as the item was added to the shopper's cart within that 24-hour window. You will receive the referral fee if the order is placed before the shopping cart expires, which is typically 90 days. Amazon affiliate program pros and cons. Earning income simplified. Linking to an Amazon product may seem like a no-brainer, but there are few things to consider before becoming an Amazon affiliate.